Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Sometimes I like to feel generous, and back in May last year, I was telling people to actually try to get SHIB with $100, and I think that SHIB was going to give a good profit, and it actually this time went to 2,000. I'm a big holder of SHIB as well. I gave in Luna Classic previously just for free, totally free, and this really played out. If you go into my Discord, look, some people are saying that yes, thank you, right? Thanks for the Luna Classic trade. Thanks for the Shiba Inu trade. Luna Classic was great, and this I don't even know who these people are. They're totally strangers as you look in this video. Now, there's one coin, long story short, that I think is going to pull a 2-3x and probably is good for the next bull run, and it's down. If you miss Pepe, Bonk, Shib, this one you may not want to miss, okay? Because I've been giving you Pepe calls, Bonk calls as well. We're going to talk about Bonk in a while. Now, all you have to do is scroll a little bit down on the description and click on the Discord. When you enter Discord, click on my name, come here on the announcement, click on announcement, click my name, and it is actually Adam Coins as username, and this is me, okay? And message me telling me, hey Adam, tell me the name of the coin. I'll tell you for totally free. If you have maybe $1,000, try $100. If you have $500, try $50. Just on my recommendation this time, honestly. Maybe this is the one time I'm going to be a little bit of a financial advisor. Don't invest too much, right? I don't want you to have a bad experience with me, because by the end of the day, it's a try. Even I'm trying it as well. Now, previously with Bonk, I've already told you that there's a saucer pan bottom, or a saucepan bottom. That's what it's called as. And we've actually broken above it. And I think it's on the 4-hour time frame where I told you about the retest, and this retest has been successful. So here you are, little bit of one touch here, went to the downside, came up, saucer bottom, came up, retested, boom, you have your technical target up right over there. Now, the next question is, where do you go if you break above 3443? There are chances where we may see Bonk coming up to 4,400 as well, 4,400. So we could be looking at a new all-time high, so break above here and actually go up right over there. Now there was a hint from Binance. When Bonk was listed on Binance, there was this wake up here at 4,000. So sorry, not 4,400, but 4,000 actually. And that chart that I just showed you was on maxi. So this one on Binance has a wake to 4,000. So I think it's very safe to kind of say that you are looking for a move back to that wick due to how Binance really gave us all the hint. Now this is a maxi pattern. If you look on the top right of your screen, that's maxi, and that was the Binance pattern. So all of these things are just little hints that I'm trying to give you. So if you do go up there, I think you may actually not want to come down to 2330. I think 2330 could be a little bit negative, but not too negative. You still, all right, let's say 1740. Okay, just such a huge breathing space I'm going to give. I don't see Bonk down here at 1740. If you start to go down there, that's going to be an issue. And I think it's still good because of how Bitcoin is. And then 23% and back to the 4,000, 44%. We still have a 44% move to go. But you don't have too much time to DM me and ask me the name of the coin. It's literally going to take you only 3 minutes. Tap on the Discord link and just message me. Literally 2 minutes, man. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.